Grade 10 Mathematics, Quarter 1, Module 3. Arithmetic means, nth term, and sum of arithmetic sequence. Okay, we have here example number 1. Insert 5 arithmetic means between 23 and 65. So, maglalagay tayo ng 5 arithmetic mean sa pagitan ng 23 at 65. So, 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ang kailangan natin is the common difference. So, using the formula for arithmetic sequence, from the information we have the first term, which is 23. We have n. There are 7 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 terms. Then we have the last term, which is 65. Ang wala lang natin is yung common difference. Hahanapin natin yung common difference. So, substitute yung last term, 65, is equals to the first term plus 7 minus 1 times the common difference. Then 65 minus 23 equals 6D. So 65 minus 23, that is 42, equals 6D. Then divided by 6. Divided by 6, 7 equals. So D is 7. So, para makuha natin yung mga arithmetic mean, i-add lang natin yung 7 doon sa first term. So, 23 plus 7, that is 30. Plus 7, 37. Plus 7, 44. Plus 7, 51. Plus 7, 58. Plus 7, 65. So, the 5 arithmetic mean between 23 and 65 is 30, 37, 44, 51, 58. So, ang hinanap lang natin is yung common difference. Next is, paano ba kunin ang nth term? Nth term ng arithmetic sequence gamit ang a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. That is the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. So, our problem is find the 32nd term, yung ika-32 term of the arithmetic sequence 67, 75, 83, 91. So, in that case, meron tayong first term, which is 67. So, kailangan natin yung first term. Then, n is 32. So, pang 32 term. Then, the common difference is, that is 75 minus 67. That is equals to 8. 8. So, the common difference is 8. So, substituting the given information, that is a sub 32 is equals to 67 plus 32 minus 1 times the common difference 8 equals 67 plus 31 times 8 equals 67 plus 8, 24, 248. Then, that is a sub 32 is equals to 115. So, the 32nd term of the arithmetic sequence 67, 75, 83, 91, and so on is 315. Okay. The first 67 and term, the number of term is 32. Then, the common difference is 8. That is the second term minus the first term. Pwede din naman na third term minus the second term. 83 minus 75. 8 din yan. Then 91, pwede din naman 91 minus 83 para makuha natin ang common difference. So we have first term, the number of terms, then the common difference. So substitute natin ngayon yan sa end term of the arithmetic sequence para makuha natin yung 32nd term o yung pang 32. So the first term is 67 plus n is 32 minus 1 times the common difference 8. Then 67 plus 32 minus 1 is 31 times 8. 31 times 8 is 248 plus 67. So the 32nd term is 315. So ang kailangan natin para makuha natin kung ano yung gusto nating term or ano yung pinapakuwang term, kailangan natin yung first term, kung ilang term, at yung common difference. Yan tatlo lang naman ang kailangan. Example number 3. Determine the 40th term of the arithmetic sequence in which a sub 8 is equal to 60 and a sub 12 is equals to 48. So, kailangan hanapin yung 40th term, yung ika-40. So, let us assume muna na yung 60, which is the 8th term, is the first term. So, therefore, yung 12th term ngayon is the 5th term. So, para makuha natin yung common difference. So, 48 equals 60. The last term equals the first term. Then, since we have now from 8 term to 12 term ay 5 terms. So, 5 minus 1 times d. So, 48 minus 60 equals 5 minus 1 equals 4 times d, 4d. So, 48 minus 60, that is equals to negative 12 equals 4d divided by 4. So, the common difference is negative 3. So, now, alam na natin ngayon ang common difference which is negative 3. Ngayon, hanapin na natin yung actual na first term, yung totoong first term. Kasi dun sa una, ang ginawa natin, 60 first term, pero inassume lang naman natin. So, now, to find the first term, we use again the a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So 6th term, which is the 8th term, yung 60, which is the 8th term, equals a sub 1 plus, from the first term to 8th term, that is, there are 8 terms. So, meron siyang 8 na term. So, 8 minus 1 times the common difference, negative 3. So, 60 equals a sub 1 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 times negative 3. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Then, 60 plus 21, nilipat natin. 60 plus 21 equals 81. So, the first term now is 81. Then, para makuha na natin yung, again, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, 40th term is equals to the first term, which is 81, plus 40 minus 1 times the common difference. A sub 4 is equals to 81. A sub 40 is equals to 81 plus 39 times negative 3. 39 times negative 3 is negative 117 plus 81. That is now a sub 40 or the 40th term is equals to negative 36. That is the 40th term. Again, let's recap. First thing that we're going to do is to look for the common difference. Then after looking for the common difference, we get the first term, and the first term is 81. So using the first term and the common difference, Now, we can find now, pwede na nating hanapin yung 40th term using the arithmetic sequence formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, A sub 40 is equals to 81 plus 40 minus 1 because ika-14 term ang kukunin natin times the common difference negative 3. So, 40 minus 1 is equals to 39 times negative 3. Negative 3 times 39 is negative 117 plus 81. So, A sub 40 or the 40th term is equals to negative 36. Example number 4. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence 31, 40, 49, 58, and so on. So, hanapin natin yung sum ng unang 15 terms ng arithmetic sequence na 31, 40, 49, and 48, and so on. So alam na natin ang n. So, n is 15 kasi 15 terms. Ang first term ay 31. Then, kailangan natin hanapin yung 15th term. Yung ika-15 na term, ano ba yun? So, hanapin natin. Using the arithmetic sequence formula, A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, A sub 15 is equals to the first term, 31, plus 15 minus 1 times the common difference, 9. The common difference is, you can get the common difference by subtracting the second term by the first term. So, 40 minus 31 equals 9. So, the common difference is 9. So, 15 minus 1 is equals to 14 times 9 is equals to 126 plus 31, that is equals to 157. So, the 15th term is 157. So, the 15th term is 157. Kailangan kasi natin, para makuha yung sum, kailangan natin makuha yung kung ilang term, kung ano yung first term, at kung ano yung last term. So, using the formula for finding the sum of arithmetic sequence, so, n is 15 over 2 times the first term, 31, plus the last term, 157. Then, 31 plus 157 is 188. 188 divided by 2 is equals to 94. Then, 15 times 94 is equals to 1,410. So, the sum of the first 15 term of the sequence 31, 40, 49, 58, and so on is 1,410. Now, you can use this formula also. Ang ginamit nating formula is this one. So, hinanap natin yung last term. Meron naman tayong first term. Then, we all know that n is equals to 15. Then, in that case, pwede din naman nandun gamitin. We can use this also. Sum of an arithmetic sequence is equals to n over 2 times 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times d. So, there are 15 terms. Ang kailangan natin is the n, the first term, then the common difference. So, 15 over 2. 2 times the first term. N is 15 minus 1 times the common difference, 9. Common difference is 9. Then, 15 minus 1 is equals to 14. 2 times 31 is equals to 62. 14 times 9 is equals to 126 plus 62 is 188. 188 divided by 2 is equals to 94. Then, 15 times 94 is equals to 1,410. So, same lang naman ang makukuha natin. Using this formula or by this formula. Example number 5. Find the sum of the numbers between 7 and 82 that are multiples of 3. So, kailangan natin hanapin yung sum ng mga numbers na multiple ng 3 sa pagitan ng 7 tsaka 82. So, unang number na multiple ng 3 is 9, 12, 15, and so on. And the last number is 81. So, ang tanong is ilang term lahat from 9 to 81. So, hindi natin alam yun. Hanapin natin yun. Using the information, first term, a sub 1 is 9. A sub 1 is 9. The last term is 81. Then, the common difference is 3. Hahanapin natin kung ilang term. Using this formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. The last term is 81 equals 9. The first term plus n minus 1. We don't know n kasi hindi pa natin alam kung ilang number ng term from 9 to 81. Then the common difference is 3. So let us simplify. So 81 minus 9 nilipat. 3 times n, 3n, 3 times negative 1, negative 3. 81 minus 9 is 72 equals 3n minus 3. 72 lipat 72 plus 3 equals 3n that is 75 equals 3n divided by 3 divided by 3. So n is equals to 25. So there are 25 terms from 9 to 81 which is multiple of 3. So now let us find the sum of 3 from 9 to 81. So let us use now the formula in finding the sum. Since we all know, alam na natin ang first term tsaka yung last term tsaka kung ilang number ng terms. So gagamitin natin yung formulang n over 2 is equals to the first term plus the last term. So there are 25 term divided by 2. First times the first term plus the last term, 81. 9 plus 81 is equals to 90. 90 divided by 2 is equals to 45. Then 45 times 25 is equals to 1,125. So the sum of all the numbers between 7 and 82 that are multiples of 3 is equals to 1,125. Thank you.